Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to share a movie on Prime Video. So let's get started right away. First of all, launch Open Prime Video application on your device. Also make sure to log into your account. Once you are, go ahead and select a movie from the list or search for a movie from the Movie tab. Once you select the movie you'd like to share or the movie link you'd like to share, simply tap on the share icon right next to Watch Party. Now, you can copy the link by tapping on the copy button or share it directly through available applications on the display. Soon after you do that, your friends can click the link to go to the movie page or Prime Video. So that is how you can easily share your movies links on Prime Video. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video. Thank you for watching.